$99 lang oh. Ito naman. As ugly.
Ugly. Control the spray from here.
Kasam naman po. Dapat binaba nyo. Paano maaabot nyo ng mga panda? Hi mga ka-shopapis! Welcome back to my vlog! For today's video, aayusin ng asawa ko yung aming sink. Kasi malaki na yung butas niya. Ang lakas na ng tulo sa baba. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Lowe's. Titingin tayo ng mga sink. And let's see kung paano gagawin ng asawa ko yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi alam ko for sure na wala siyang alam sa mga ganon. Pero, I trust him. Diba? So, punta tayo sa Walmart. Ay, sa Lowe's. Punta tayo sa Lowe's. Mga chupa, ang ganda ng aking dress. Ito yung aking biling dress sa Walmart na $5 lang. Which is parang mahigit. $5? How much is that? $5 times 55?
$5?
Almost 300.
Yeah, almost 300.
So, parang siya 300. Pero alam mo ka-chubok pa, kakagaling lang namin sa simbahan. Ito yung suot ko sa simbahan. And I feel like when I wear this, I feel like so summer. Maka-chubok pa, oh, ang ganda. Kaya ngayon ko lang mga nasusuot yung mga gantong bagay. Dito sa Wisconsin, laging malamig. Eh, ngayong summer, suotin na natin lahat ng dress natin. Gandahan lang ako makasyopa. Kasi yung color niya, yung red. Is this red or orange? Orange and pink. There's a car.
It's too pink. It's kind of both pink. It's a hot pink and a light pink.
Oo, mga kasyopa. May pink, tapos parang siyang orange.
It's not orange. It's not orange at all.
Red or pink?
It's a hot pink and light pink. This is a light pink. This is a hot pink.
Ganda ka, chupa. Kasi parang siyang mga halaman. Mga flower. Tapos yung kulay ko. Kulay negro. Kaya, ano siya, litaw na litaw siya sa katawan ko. Titingin tayo ulit sa Walmart next time. Kung makakita ulit ako ng clearance na clothes, na dress, na ganito, bibili ako ulit. Kasi $5 lang naman siya. And then, let's go to the Lowe's. Tingnan natin yung mga sink, kung magkano. Yung faucet din, papalitan namin. And, ayun lang. Sabihin ka, makachupa.
If they don't have anything here, we'll check Menards. If Menards doesn't have it too, then I'll look online to see if they have something online.
Okay. Nandito na kami, mga kachupapi.
I'm sure they'll have something that is to our size.
You know what I like in summer? Because there's a lot of trees, greens, fresh air,
yeah. Sunlight, fresh air, trees. Winter, there's nothing. Yeah. Everything's dead.
Okay, nandito na kami mga kasyupa. Dito tayo pupunta.
I hope we find something really good. Keep going. Of course, it suits you. It suits you just perfect. And I like it that you're wearing dresses in the summer.
Ayan na mga kachupa, nandito na kami. Ang gusto ko sana ito.
33 by 22. Oh, this is perfect size. 33 by 22. It's the same size. This is also 33 by 22. So, but this one's not going to work.
Yeah, because
the way it's
so
designed.
big. But I like this one.
This one has edges like this, so it just pops right in.
Yeah.
So then we put glue under here. Then it's going to work.
Ang ganda.
Well, I don't want one with the spray nozzle. We're not going to use that.
No, I'll use that one for the ano. this washing liquid. No.
Let's see what else they have.
It's so expensive.
This one here is $4.29.
I like the sink too.
You like the faucet here?
Yeah, faucet. I like with like this bill. Hose.
Swivel one like this?
Yeah. Tingin tayo dito. Yung mura, B. Ito, 399 lang, oh. Ito naman. Ay, ito, B! Stainless. Much more,
this one here?
yeah. Much more aesthetic.
This is 33 by 20.
Square.
But this one, yeah, doesn't have any faucet, so you have to buy it separate.
Oh. Those one is included the faucet?
I think those include it. Or maybe just for display.
Yeah, that's display. Ito kasi yung dating sa amin.
This one?
Yeah. That's the one that we have inside the house, no?
Yeah, I think that's similar to the one we have.
Ito, I like that one, the square one.
This one here?
Yeah.
This one is $249. Get it installed. This one is $199.
Oh, that one is ugly.
This one is kind of the same.
Yeah.
Actually, this one looks kind of like ours. It's the same thing, B. It's all separately.
Ang ganda, oh. Pachopa. Ito ang gusto ko.
You like that one?
Much, what's it called? Wider.
Let me go get a cart. You should get a cart.
Ganda siya, kachopa. Kuha lang ng cart yung asawa ko. Then I'm gonna look the faucet, ha?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ito yung mga faucet nila. Kasi yung aming faucet, meron tayong CCTV dito, naka-recording. Ito mga faucet dito, naka-chupa. Ayoko ng ganito. Kasi pag ganito, ito yung nasa bahay namin. Yung may ganito siya. Kaya lang, hindi naman nagagamit. Kaya, ayoko ng ganyan. Gusto ko yung ganito, kachupa. Ganyan siya. Tapos, nahihila siyang ganon. Nahihila ba to? Ito. Nahihila yung alam ko eh. Ito natatanggal. Bakit kasi ang taas naman? Kakaasam naman to. Dapat binaba nyo. Paano maaabot nyo ng mga pandak? Makakaisa rin, no? Bili kayo ako ng ganito sa aming dishwashing. Ay, meron siyang kabitan dito. Magkano? $4. So, hanap tayo ng Ito sana yung gusto ko. Aesthetic kasi pagkaganto. Yung nakalabas yung ganto niya. Pero mahal na siya, mga kachupa. Nasa 600. Ayan, 600 siya. Cast iron. Feeling ko itong gantong sink, hindi siya naninilaw. Kasi siya eh, marmol. Oo, marmol. Parang siyang marmol. So, kahit mainit, malamig na tubig, kaya dyan. No. Pag ito naman kasi, parang feeling ko, ito yung natutuklap pag matagalan na. Hindi ko lang alam. Tapos may mga shower din sila ditong tinda. Parang gusto kong bumili ng ganito, makashow pa. Para sa shower namin, no? Para malaki yung $39. So, yan, asawa ko. Tapos may mga ganyan din siya. May mga shower din dito. Kompleto. Pero ang kailangan kong ayoko ng gold, mga kachupa. Gusto ko yung ganito lang. Kasi pagka matagal na yung gold, siya, nag-iiba yung kulay niya. So, this one, you like this one?
That one, let's see what size is that. 33 by 22, so it's right. That one's good too. $279. This one's $249. This one's cheaper. How come this one's cheaper? This one looks better.
Oh, because this one, this one.
Yeah, but I don't need that.
You need that one.
I don't really even need this. What is this even used for? This is not worth the extra $30.
Okay.
Well, this only has one hole for faucet. This one has 3 plus 1. So you want
We
this
only
one?
need one hole, right?
Well, doesn't matter. This one is the Theo. So that one. Oh, it's not that one.
Ito.
No, it's not that one.
Ah, this one.
No, it's not that one. The Theo. That's the one that's called.
I have like this too. I think the one that we have is this. No!
Probably.
79
very
lang.
cheap.
Kaya ang pangit niya, makachupa. Ganyan yung sa aming bahay. Kaya lang medyo maliit. This one, no?
No, it's not.
Ah, this one.
This is Allen Roth.
Yeah.
So this one is that one.
Ah. Maybe I think we...
For this one.
Allen Roth.
The Theo.
The Theo. I think that one, babe, we don't need the ano. Ayun, no?
Oh, yeah, right here. The Theo Allen Roth.
Oh.
Let's see. 435, 1183. So that's the right one. Where's the code? No,
I know.
that's not it.
The small one, 425.
Oh, 435, 1183. Yes. 435, 92. Yeah, it's this one. Right?
Baby, we don't need the 4 hole.
We can always cover it up.
How?
Just like if you have one like this, then...
Yeah, but I don't like that one.
If you don't like that one, then we gotta get the one with a single hole.
Yeah.
You just want a single faucet like this,
Yeah.
get the one with a single hole.
Yeah, that's what I want.
So that way it's more aesthetic. Because if
Here.
you get it and it has extra holes, it's not gonna look good.
Oh, maybe this one.
59, that one is 329. 399. 339, 299. How about that one up there?
That's ugly.
The F-Blade. Probably very heavy.
I know, 299.
Which one do you want?
Up, and
That one
299.
up there?
Yeah.
The one with the cutting board?
Yeah, 299. And they have one hole for the ano. I think this is the one.
It doesn't look very good.
This is for the dishwashing.
It's very ugly down here. It's not smooth. If I were to go with that one, I'd rather go with the L-Blade. LK.
Yes, nakapili na. Ang napili namin mga kachupa is yun. And then bumili lang kami ng ganito. $3. Tapos hanap tayo ngayon ng faucet. Yeah, I don't like that.
You don't like this?
Yeah, because I can't even use it.
Okay.
I like the one that is aesthetic. Hanap tayo ng aesthetic mga kachupa. Kasi doon mura lang. Dito medyo...
So we have to find a drain kit too.
Drain kit?
Yeah. So we should probably get... I think when we should use... Try to get one extra.
Ay, maganda to. Hanap tayo. Mahal ng ano ha. 5,000 day. 5,000 na yung mga ano. Lagpas 10,000 to. Damn. It's so expensive. Faucet. Faucet lang. Ito yung pinakamura oh. Yung $69. Hindi mo maganda. Ito rin maganda rin to. How to get it? No?
I don't think you can.
How we're gonna test it? Maybe we don't broke it.
This one, I don't think you can take it out. It's just, you can move it around. Take it out.
It just...
Yeah. But it's just that you can't take it out very far because it's short. They use a short line.
Yeah.
We should get something like this so it matches.
Yeah, but
Stainless steel.
expensive. This is the same with our sink.
No, we have something like that. It's just chrome.
Oh.
It's not very good.
Okay. Just then we're gonna get this one then.
Choose one. Or you can choose one from Mogi.
Oh, this one no is including the Annabelle soap. No. Is it?
Let's see.
Oh, I don't know.
1 hole, 3 hole, 4 hole. It works on additional finishes. I wonder if they come with it.
I think it is. Ito ba yung with ano, soap na siya?
This is also magnetic. That one is the Delta Alpen. Is this it? No, this isn't it. So this is $179.
With soap already?
Mm-hmm.
Ay, ang galing. Very good.
Pull down kitchen faucet. Magnetic docking.
Is it good?
No, baby. I don't use a lot of these, so I can't give
Meron
you.
kasi siyang ano, makachupa. Meron siyang ganto, ganyan, ganes,
Soap dispenser, 32-inch
Parang mas
aluminum.
maganda pa to.
Supply lines. Okay, they got the supply lines included. 3
Kaya lang wala siyang, ano, pero maganda siya.
So the fitting is 3/8, so I don't know what size ours is. Fits 1, 2, 3, 4 whole sink up to 2.5 max deck thickness. Or I mean, you can look at more.
I know.
This one here?
Yeah, that one doesn't have no.
Yeah, this one doesn't have the soap. It's just by itself. So this is a better deal because this is only $179 and has it with it. This one's more and it doesn't have anything. And it's kind of the same thing.
Oh.
It's magnetic. You can pull it. You can control the spray from here.
109 lang.
9. Look, it's loose. It's very cheap.
Ano kaya maganda? Makachopa. Parang gusto ko to eh. Kasi yun medyo namamahalan na ako.
Okay. Oh, this is plastic. That's why it's cheap.
How do you know plastic?
Look. It's plastic.
That one. What about
This
that one?
Here, this is stainless steel metal.
I think it's the same.
Or maybe it is, huh? The metal is this one. Plastic.
Same lang sila mga kachopa. Ako binibiro ko ng asawa ko. Pero I like this one.
This one you can just control.
Yeah. Eh, ang ganda.
Okay, if you like this one, you can get this one. I don't know how good it is. Cold water, hot water.
They have hot and cold. So, 109. Ang mahal. Faucet lang, $109 na. 5,000, 6,000 mahigit. Is that the one?
Yeah, project source. Flint.
With soap already? No.
Optional deck. Plate included.
Meron din silang mga bathtub dito, mga kachupa. Tingnan nga. I think gusto kong bathtub eh. Oh. Ang ganda. No, kachupa. Para siyang hotel. Ano to? Ah, lababo. Ang cute naman. Ang cute na lababo. Lababo, mga kachupa. Ano? Parang maganda rin to. Maganda yung ganito. Ito mura. Kaya lang hindi siya maganda. Ito maganda kasi yung kanyang ano, ayan siya, Discover Smart Features to simply your life. Ayan, B, I like that one.
This is this one. See, I'm looking on the box to see if they show that they're included.
Ayan, bumili kami
This is for installing the drain and installing the pipes.
Yes.
wrong one.
You have your Lowe's card? Nandito na kami sa bahay at kinuha namin yung wagon dahil marami kami pinamili. Ay, medyo mabigat. Ito pa yung mga pinamili. Bumili kami ng rice, damit sa Goodwill. Ay, sa ano? I like Goodwill. Walmart. And then, itong mga to.
You get the bag in the front, okay?
Diba? I'm glad that we have wagon. Bumili kami ng anto.
That one over there, too.
Ay, ito.
You got the bag in the front already?
Yeah. What bag you're talking about?
The one with the
Price?
Sprite?
Yeah. I put it inside now. So, yeah.
Can I do it since it's not very heavy? I'm gonna grab the sink.
Okay. What? Ang cute. Na ano naman siya. Lo. Itong problema, hindi siya naliliko basta-basta. Kailangan mo siyang ganyanin. Ano bang pa? Ekekan mo, win. Ano ba? It's so heavy, cannot carry.
Stuff is in the way.
Yeah.
You watch out. Shoot, I put this here.
Yan. So, mag-unpack na tayo. Kasi papapalitan na natin yung sink natin. Dahil nag-ano kasi siya. Nagaganto siya o mga kachupa. Ayan ang pulo niya mga kachupa. Papakita ko sa inyo ha. Bubuksan natin siya dyan. May tutulo dyan. Ayan o. Ayan na, tumutulo na siya. So, I think ang problema,
Clear out the sink. Like, move all this stuff.
ito ang problema. Okay. Okay. Sarap buhay ni Kiki ha. Sana all pusa. Tingnan kami ng mga chichirya. Miss Vicky, yung paborito ko, chichirya. Ito yung masyadong bet, mga kachupa. Hindi ko lang bet. Hindi ko bakit hindi ko bet. Hindi ko siya bet. Pumunta kami ng Walmart bago kami umuwi. And then, pumila ko ng ganito, gagawa ako ng nori. Wasabi. Nori. So, gagawa tayo niyan. And then, bumili rin ako ng steak. Steak lahat ang bibilin natin, mga kachupa, para meron tayong iron.
Hey, you!
Lagay natin siya dito.
What are you doing, huh? Cats and boxes. As soon as you see a box.
Bumili rin ako ng Sprite dahil pagka magmamarinade ako, I need Sprite. And then, bumili ako ng damit sa Walmart. $5 lang ito mga kachupa. Partner na siya. So, pagka nag-ano ako sumba-sumba, ito susuotin ko. O kaya, mamaya magbabike kami ng asawa ko, ito susuotin ko. Ayan, may short na siya dito. $5 lang mga kachupapis. Parang ang itim ko sa dress ko. Very colorful ang dress. And then, bumili kami ng rice. Brown rice. Ito yung ating binibili. Masarap naman siya. Hindi siya ganun katamis katulad ng white rice. So, ito na yung lagi namin binibili. Lagyan na natin sa cabinet para hindi naman. And then, bumili ako ng peach kasi magme-mango. Mango peach pie ako. And then, bumili ako nito. Ang tagal ko na hinahanap to, yung buong ano. Kasi minsan kailangan ko yan. And then, ito, pagka nagmamarinate ako, ito na yung ginagamit ko kasi mas masarap siya. $4 lang siya sa Walmart. And then, ito ang binili ko para hindi ako nabubulakan ng kalamansi. And then, hindi ako nahihirapang magpisit-pisit. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. Nasa 45 cents lang yata po. And then, bumili rin ako ng saging, onion, Sprite. Ito yung saging. Yan. Nanonood yung aking asawa paano palitan yung sink. Kasi wala siyang idea. Hindi kasi siya constructor. Kaya wala siyang alam. Ang alam niya lang is mag-drive. And then, bumili ako ng mga chocolate kasi naka-sale siya. Tama to, pandala ko sa balikbayan box. Kasi maliit lang naman siya. And, ilang pieces to? 6 pieces. 2, 4, 6. Ayan, mga kachupa. Para sa kapatid ko. Ayan. 3 yung binili ko para tag-iisa sila. Kasi meron akong 3 mababait na kapatid. And then, ito ang binili namin faucet sa Lowe's ng $109. So, mamaya ipapakita natin kung paano ikakabit ng asawa ko. Ito, tupiin na natin ko. Ang galing mga chupa, oh, kasi tupi lang siya, dihina lang din siya. Ang ganda lang ako. Nakakatawa. Pwede ko itong sakyan din. Ang hirap naman eh. I don't have energy to clap this one. Ibang sa tabi. Ay, lilinisin ko pa pala yung lababo para linisin na ng asawa ko. So, samahan niyo ako mga kachupa. Lilinisin ko muna itong mga to.